One of those categories you've mentioned is, of course, the two Eids. Dr. Zakir, why is fasting prohibited on the two Eids?
The Eidain, the two Eids, Eidul Fitr and Eidul Adha, they are the days of festival. And a Muslim normally goes out to pray in a congregation. He comes back, he meets his family members, meets the relatives, meets the friends. So but natural, the day of festival and fasting, they don't go together. And furthermore, during Eidul Fitr, it is the end of the month of fasting. So how can you fast after the end of the month of fasting? And in Eidul Adha, it's a day of sacrifice. You slaughter an animal. Imagine you sacrifice an animal and you're not eating the meat of the animal you have sacrificed. So that's the reason that these 2 days it's prohibited to fast. And the beloved Prophet Muhammad said, it's mentioned in Sunan Abu Dawud, volume number 2, in the book of fasting, Hadith number 2410, that the Prophet said, it is prohibited to fast on the 2 Eids. Eidul Adha, because you sacrifice the animal and you will not be able to eat the meat of the animal you sacrifice. And Eidul Fitr, because it marks the end of fasting. So these 2 are the reasons why to fast on Eidain, the 2 Eid days, prohibited.